this is Métis from Hearts and Crafts. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm excited to show you some new page layouts that we have in the store and then some other items that we have. This Halloween 2-page layout is our newest in the store. Too cute to spook. And what I want to draw your attention to is how I have used the Nuvo glitter drops to bring out all of the beautiful accents in these clip arts. In addition, for his purple hat, I use the glitter marker. So let me show you how our kits come to you and how you can take them to the next level using just a couple of different products. In addition to Too Cute to Spook, here is my newest. We're all mad here. Sort of a play on the Mad Hatter. So here's the clip art that you will receive with your kit. In addition, you'll get 12 by 12 paper for your mats. I just cut mine down ahead of time to save some time on it. Your pattern paper and then your background paper. I'm going to use my Nuvo Deluxe adhesive and just put a little bit around the back. And we'll place this down, centering it the best that we can. And now doing that to the next page. So all these papers are 80-pound smooth cardstock, very vibrant, and make beautiful, quick page layouts. We have a couple of 100 different layouts in the store, and we add on a very regular basis. Okay, so now I'm going to play with my clip art. And I'm going to do this upside down so that you can see it. Wish me luck here. All right, I have a picture of what it's supposed to look like someplace, but we are just going to wing it. I'm looking for my foam squares, which are here. So I put foam squares on absolutely everything. I like the depth that it gives on all of my projects. And I try and focus around the outer sides of it. Some people use a lot, some people use a little. I'm somewhere in the in-between, I suppose. Put one right here on her hands. We'll peel these off. So I'm putting my page layout together before I have my pictures. So what I'm going to do is on the foam squares where a mat could potentially be behind it, I'm not going to peel that off so that once I have my pictures, I can just slip it in. So I think we're going to place her right about there. Here are my mats. I cut my mats to hold a 4x6 picture. It would also be gorgeous with 5x7, a big 8x10 here. It just depends on how many pictures that you're trying to get on a page. Let's see, if we slip that in here, what if we do one down on this side? So I previously designed and did this, but I did not take a picture of how I assembled it. So we're going to do this on the fly. Put that there. Let's see. Let's lay everything out and see how it looks. I think I like that for this page. So let's glue down our mats. I always use the adhesive Deluxe by Nuvo. We have it in the store. It's 20% off. Everything in our store right now is 20% off by using code SAVE20. Okay. So let's put some foam squares here. I love very simple, quick, and easy page layouts. I don't know about you, but there's just something so refreshing when you sit down to scrapbook and you can whip out 3, 4, 5, 2-page layouts very quickly. I'm just going to put this right on her hand here. All right, so let me show you where the magic begins on this. Using the Nuvo glitter drops, this is color Gold Coast. Shake it down, and I'm going to come in here wherever there's gold already, and I'm just going to add more gold on top of it to bring it out. She's got a little up here. You can use as much, as little as you want, but this really just takes a page and takes it to the next level, adds that bling. So inside of her dress, there's no real solid lines, so I'm just going to tap to give it that bling. It dries clear, so the little white speckles you see right now are going to dry completely clear and just leave that beautiful glitter look behind that you see here. Hopefully the light is catching up that. So I would go through and do everything on these 2 pages, but I also want to show you on, let's do it on the hat, how you can take the glitter pen and add additional depth to the clip art. So I'm coming in here and I'm just following the dark lines of this. And what that does is it gives it another layer of glimmer and shine. You see how that just sparkles inside of there? So we can even do that on this. Ooh, make sure it's dry before you stick your finger in it. I do have these glitter pens and glitters on our website. There's a trio pack, which is $8.99 before the discount. And I'm going to do it on all my pieces. You know, just coming in here where there's already that darkness. And all I'm doing is I'm highlighting the darkness that already exists of the purple and giving it a shimmer. What do you think? And then of course we'll go back in with our gold and pull some of this gold out. Okay, so to give you an idea of what page 1 is going to look like when completed, if you do it my way, so this is page 1. All right, let's switch and do page 2. So let me do my mats. Again, these are made to fit a 4x6 picture. And let me take a look. Let's put him here. We'll stick that there, which I think would make most sense if we did our mats like that and probably like this. Bring him over a little bit and then put him right up there. Now you do want to go through and add your foam behind all of these pieces, add in your gold glitter, add in your purple marker to just give this that extra depth that it needs. But this is my Alice in Wonderland Halloween 2-page layout. In addition, I want to show you some other products that we have in the store from some of my other designers. So Eva, if you've been and seen us at any of the shows, she does her Julie Nutting doll kits. So in her kit, you get a picture of what the doll looks like put together, and she gives you everything pre-stamped for you to fussy cut out and assemble her. So you just follow the pictures, grab your scissors, cut it out, and she has, I think, about 40 different designs on our website. So this is one that's very wintry, hard to imagine winter at the moment since it's so warm. And here's just an everyday love. What I like about this one is that it's really got some depth to it by adding in these glittery hearts, and then her dress is Swiss dot. So if you are a Julie Nutting fan and you enjoy playing with her dolls, but sometimes you just want something quick and easy to do, her kits make great gifts. All right, so all of you know that the new craze right now are slim cards. Debbie has her series of some slim cards in our store. It's a set of 3. Everything is ready to assemble with written instructions. So this is her graphic 45. Everything is tucked nice and neatly into each of the envelopes so you know what pieces go together. In addition to that, Debbie has her altered tins. Let me show you this. So here is what the tin looks like on the inside and out after it's put together. Here are her instructions of how to assemble it. And this is just your everyday Altoid tin. It's got some of your smaller pieces on the inside. Everything is pre-cut for you. Here's your bow. And what's nice, since you're using rolled flowers in the kit, she even includes the stylus to roll your flowers. So I know for a lot of people, they're not really sure how to do the flowers, so let me do you a quick demo for you. What you're going to do is, I don't know if you can see that this has got a slotted edge on it. So we're going to insert that into an end and roll. And whatever color you want on the outside is the direction you roll. On her sample, she has the yellow showing through. So So you're going to roll it, and then when you're done, you just fan it out, and look how beautiful that turns out. And then she's got the leaves that go with it. And what I like to do with the leaves is just kind of give them some depth by taking my stylus and just putting it in there and turning it some to give it some personality. So these are on our website. Debbie is constantly coming up with new styles, and most of the ones that she does is graphic 45. But I do know that she is coming out with a steampunk one that is adorable, so you'll have to watch for that. So in addition to that, all of you have seen our mini albums. They continue to be the fan favorites. Our COVID, our Magic, and Birthday are just some examples of the mini layouts that we have in the store. They're fun, they're very easy to put together, come with lots of clip art. All you need is some foam squares, pop dots, whatever you choose to call them, and this comes together quite nicely. So thank you for spending this time with me. Couple of reminders that in our store, everything is 20% off by using code SAB20 when you check out. And if you have any questions, have any recommendations on pages that you would like to see or themes of mini books that you would like to see, just drop us a line and we'd love to help you out with that. Take care and have a blessed day.